Welcome to Audio Books feature by Cloud Expert. Today we'll be talking about Azure Virtual WAN. Let's understand what is Azure Virtual WAN. Azure Virtual WAN is a networking service that brings much networking, security, and routing functionalities together to provide a single operational interface. These functionalities include branch connectivity via connectivity automation from virtual WAN partner devices such as SD-WAN or VPN CPE, site-to-site VPN connectivity, remote user VPN, point-to-site connectivity, private ExpressRoute connectivity, intra-cloud connectivity, transitive connectivity for virtual networks, VPN ExpressRoute interconnectivity, routing, Azure Firewall, encryption for private connectivity, etc. You do not have to have all of these use cases to start using Virtual WAN. You can simply get started with just one use case and adjust your network as it evolves. The Virtual WAN architecture is a hub-and-spoke architecture with scale and performance built in for branches VPN, SD-WAN devices, users Azure VPN, OpenVPN, IKEv2 clients, ExpressRoute circuits, and virtual networks. It enables where the cloud-hosted network hub enables transitive connectivity between endpoints that may be distributed across different types of spokes. Azure regions serve as hubs that you can choose to connect to. All hubs are connected in full mesh in a standard virtual WAN, making it easy for the user to use the Microsoft backbone for any spoke connectivity. For spoke connectivity with SD-WAN, VPN devices, users can either manually set it up in Azure Virtual WAN or use the Virtual WAN CPE SD-WAN, VPN partner solution to set up connectivity to Azure. We have a list of partners that support connectivity automation, ability to export the device info into Azure, download the Azure configuration and establish connectivity with Azure Virtual WAN. Let's understand about Virtual WAN resources. To configure an end-to-end Virtual WAN, you create the following resources. Virtual WAN. The Virtual WAN resource represents a virtual overlay of your Azure network and is a collection of multiple resources. It contains links to all your virtual hubs that you would like to have within the Virtual WAN. Virtual WAN resources are isolated from each other and cannot contain a common hub. Virtual hubs across Virtual WAN do not communicate with each other. Hub. A virtual hub is a Microsoft-managed virtual network. The hub contains various service endpoints to enable connectivity. From your on-premises network VPN site, you can connect to a VPN gateway inside the virtual hub, connect ExpressRoute circuits to a virtual hub, or even connect mobile users to a point-to-site gateway in the virtual hub. The hub is the core of your network in a region. There can only be one hub per Azure region. Hub Virtual Network Connection. The Hub Virtual Network Connection resource is used to connect the hub seamlessly to your virtual network. Preview. Hub-to-hub connection. Hubs are all connected in a virtual WAN. This implies that a branch, user, or VNet connected to a local hub can communicate with another branch or VNet using the full mesh architecture of the connected hubs. Hub route table. You can create a virtual hub route and apply the route to the virtual hub route table. You can apply multiple routes to the Virtual Hub route table. Hope you enjoyed our audiobook about Azure Virtual WAN. For more audiobooks, please check our site cloudaudiobooks.in or download Cloud Expert app from Google Play Store. Hey, don't forget to rate our app and share it with your friends. Have a nice day.